No matter how powerful you are, but single-handedly you cannot do anything big. You would require teams and departments and divisions, delegations to actually help you carry on your work with a lot of smoothness and synchronization. So this is Vardhan Sahu, and in this video I'm going to be revealing up to you the 10 major departments of my company, theshubhvardhan.com, and how you can also utilize those 10 departments and try to, divide things so that it is really very easier for you to carry on the task and actually make sure that it's being completed. So without any more ado, let's get started. And if you are one of our community members, it's going to be really important for you, because in this video I'm going to be telling you a message that better work with your community members. We are also working with our students because it's always better to work with someone who is already aligned with your mission and vision, knows about you, rather than just, finding people and networks around the globe and, doing so many hither and thither, right? So with this context, I want to tell you that if you are one of our students watching this video, then one of these 10 departments are going to be handled by one of you members, alright? So be ready for it, and let's get started with the number 1 department, that is the general manager. A business can be scaled only when it is on autopilot. Autopilot means that I cannot be doing each and every work, being present over there. So things are happening on automation. But there must be a person who is actually keeping an eye on things, that are they going, as they are set up and as the systems are being set up or not. So rather than me keeping an eye on that, I am going to be delegating my 60 to 70% task to that person so that he can actually supervise my company actually running. Because every business which has been on the top is only because the owner is not involved in the business and the business is being run by the, other subordinates, right? Now, the main part when it comes to the digital coaching industry and digital, ecosystem is that we have stuffs like email checking, responding to our, community members and communicating things forward. So all of these things are going to be done by these general managers. And also it includes checking partner programs and all the systems, keeping an eye on them, that everything is performing well or not. And they're also going to be taking care of the access and refunds, like giving access to people and checking that, are the paid members getting access to the courses or not, or what are the problems they are facing, what are the questions they are raising, and everything like, serving the community. All of those things will be done by them. Second department is the content marketing department. So you have to hire a content marketing expert who will be updating, manually updating your social media, because you need to be really active on social media nowadays so that, what's get visible more gets sold also more easily, right? So you need to understand that you have to be active in each and every social media platforms and doing things on time and updating stories and community posts and LinkedIn posts and articles and blogs and all. So Twitter quotes and all. So all of these things, I cannot be manually doing it each and every time because I have to do much more creation part, right? So what my content marketing expert will do is that he'll manually post the stuff, and he'll also engage with the comments, and he'll update on the stories, on the status and all of those stuff, YouTube stories, YouTube community post, if a YouTube video is on, if a LinkedIn post is on. So if we have uploaded a YouTube video, then he is going to be updating it on each and every community group post and everything, stories and all. So this is like marketing expert. He is expert in marketing my content, so he is doing that. Okay. So this is only how the business runs. You cannot be an expert in each and everything. So you need to hire the expert of that field so that everything in your business is not like, survival kind of thing. Everything is at its expert positioning. Get it? Now till this point, if this video is been useful, just type useful in the comment section and keep on engaging with me, alright? So that we connect more deeply. Okay, let's move on to the third thing, which is community managers. See, the biggest asset that you will be building in this era is building an audience. They are going to be your loyal members and repeated buyers, and also someone who is going to influence more customers to come to your community. So building an audience is your biggest asset today. So if you build your audience, you will have an ecosystem and you'll have a community. If you have attracted the community members, you need to manage it. Otherwise, you will lose all the community members, right? So you need to manage it, and then you need to scale it as well. So before scaling it, you have to manage it, right? So that they can actually keep the community in discipline, or checking that there is no spam coming on. There are people are giving support to the community, taking support from the community or not, and they're collaborating in the community or not. So these things has to be kept an eye on, that what are my community people are actually doing. For this, I need to have a manager, right? The community manager is also for one another thing that is doing this externally, which is the reviews that we have on Trustpilot. If you go to Shubh Vardhan Trustpilot reviews, we have to reply to all those reviews. So we cannot reply to each and every hundreds of thousands of reviews. So we have to have a community manager who will reply and answer to those reviews. And another thing is all the comments in our Facebook post, blogs, LinkedIn posts and Instagram stories and all those messages, DMs and all of those has to be answered, and that too will be done by the external community managers. Now, the fourth thing is finance manager. So finance, see, it's really important that if you're making money, you need to learn how to manage money so that your money can be multiplied. Because in Shubh Vardhan, again that we say, if you have your Vardhan and you don't know the Shubh positioning, how to handle, the intelligent way to keep your Vardhan, you lose all your Vardhan, you lose all your wealth and whatever you have collected till now, because success is always rented, right? So you need to hire a finance manager, and better if he or she is in your family, from your family or from your community, who understands your mission and vision. And you have, we have set our different accounts like operations, charity, tax and all of those, wealth and things. So like this, accounts are being managed. So checking the GST has been went on time or not, and updating the numbers on time, and paying all the income tax and all the things being managed well. This has to be taken care of, and this is going to be done by the finance manager. If you have a certain amount of money and you are not able to manage that certain amount of money, how you will get more of it, right? Now, fifth thing is video editing. Video editing is like, common editing and all, I do it myself. But if I have to design some intros, some trailers, cutting, golden nuggets and clips by watching my video, making it into shorts and also I have a video editor for it, okay? So I actually delegate my work to someone else and actually hire a video editor. You need to hire an editor for your intros, some crazy intros, snaps, testimonials, some interviews, snaps and all, clips and all, repurposing your content, like repurposing your YouTube video long form content into different shorts, reels and all of those things. So these all things can be done with the help of a video editor. Now the sixth thing is you need a content writer, because nowadays you cannot spend all the time writing for each and every social media platform, because each and every social media platform have a different kind of human perception. Like same person on LinkedIn and on Instagram will behave like two different kinds of person. Like the same person who is on Instagram right now, once he'll go to LinkedIn, he'll be more serious, okay, because his profile is more serious over LinkedIn, and he'll be more casual over Instagram. The same person. So the whole perception is different. So I cannot keep on writing, different kinds of things for this and this platform. So for this, I need to hire an intelligent content writer so that he can repurpose my long form content. I only write two content. First one is my email content, the long form one that is converted into Twitter quotes and some blogs and all of those things. And second one is my YouTube longer form videos that is being converted and repurposed into short clips, okay, like shorts and reels and all of those stuff. So two main important content and podcasts, whatever you want to do, you have to do. And from those long form content, your content writer will be repurposing it. Okay, so that intellect has to be there with your content writer, so that he can actually is aligned with your vision and mission and can kind of try to duplicate your tone and translate things to your audience, so that it doesn't sound very weird to the audience, that a kind of different personality altogether. So a content writer is an expert in doing this thing, that your thing will sound original. It will not sound as it has been written by a content writer. So this all things you need to be hiring an expert for. Now, like if you are starting right now, I won't recommend all of these things, all of these departments, but yes, if you want to scale, you have reached till some point and you want to scale, these delegations are very, very important if you want to scale to new heights. Alright. Now moving on to the next part, which is Facebook ads management. Now you need to hire a Facebook ads expert. Now when we was, at the starting point, our bootstrap startup, we had also done all of those stuff on our own, and having good kind of cost per lead and cost per acquisition, all those things were good. But we can't take it more ahead, because now things are getting vast. So you need to hire again an expert who can understand the things better and do it in the best possible way. So for that you need to have Facebook expert and the Google ads expert. So that, because you need traffic, right? You need traffic. The more traffic will come to your things, the more conversion it will show. So Facebook and Google ads expert. The next thing to have is, ninth one is PR expert, public relations. See, there is another thing that is majorly important, which is perception management. How you are being perceived by your audience is really very important, and that is why you need to hire a public relation expert who will tell you, like, every big person, they have their public relation expert who guides them to behave and connect with the audience. So like this, you need to also have a PR. Now this is again a stage where when you want to scale, you need to do this stuff. Now in the starting point, you don't need this, alright? Yes, you can do it on your own. You can understand the PR, how it works and all of these things. You can do it on your own, but not hiring an expert, alright? So if you are in a stage where you want to really scale, then you go for all of these things, alright? Again. Now, if you find this video till this point useful, just hit the like button right now and hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the bell icon, so that you get the notifications whenever I post another video in the first place. Alright. So moving on to the next point, that is website team. Okay. See, once your website and hosting is all set up, you think it's all set up, but no. There is a huge mistake that people make. They leave their website alone. See, your website has to be managed. Your website has to be regularly updated and checked. That is it, some pages are, is it running slow, or is it running in the same speed, or, can we do something, add something more to it. So all of those things can be managed, has to be managed, so that people are always inconvenienced. Because see, why do people come to you? They give you money just because you give them convenience and speed, right? So if your website is not at speed and not giving convenience to the audience, so imagine how they will connect with you. There is no chance that they are going to connect with you, right? So you need to understand that you need to manage your website as well, and you need to hire people who can actually do the things in backend for that, alright? Because everything you cannot do yourself, because you need to have your mind on the creation mode, right? Now, so till now, if you like all of these concepts, I have an offer for you. What you can do is, you can share this video to all of your friends and put the screenshot into this email, connect@shubvardhan.com. If you put that screenshot into this email ID, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you some amazing gifts, bonuses and goodies, alright? Now, I also don't know what I'm going to be giving you, but it's going to be very, very, very amazing and awesome. And something that is going to be really useful for your growth, alright? It can be some free courses or free ebook or goodies, anything. So, if you don't want to miss this chance of getting something for free from me, from this shubvardhan.com, then just share this video and tag me, tag my channel, okay? Tag shubhvardhan.com also you can tag, and you can also give some hashtags and all on you, but you need to share it and you need to actually send the screenshot in this email ID so that I can know that you have done this and I can send you the goodies. Alright, so if you're going to do this, just type "I'm doing it" in the chat section. So the 10 points to managing your departments is all good. Everything is fine if you want to scale. But there is another thing that is very important when it comes to scaling your business, and that is keeping it into step-by-step autopilot procedure. Because even if you miss one single step, the whole business can collapse. And if you want to know it in detail, that how you can actually set your business step by step on autopilot mode, then you can watch this video. And for more such things, subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comment section what else do you need. This is Vardhan Sahu signing off until we meet again.